If you want to know if your posts are performing well or not, you need to know how to access your LinkedIn metrics and understand what impressions and engagement means. But before that, I'm Yasmina from Magic Post, and we share LinkedIn content tips to help you on your LinkedIn content journey. So the first thing you want to do if you want to access your LinkedIn metrics is you need to go to your LinkedIn homepage. And on the left, you can see your profile views and post impressions. If you want to go in depth into the impressions and the engagement, you need to go to view profile, and right below your name and profile picture, you can find the analytics. Normally, these ones are private to you, and here you can see your profile views, the post impressions, and the last search appearances. If I click on Show Analytics, I can see my post impressions, the number of followers, my profile views, and the number of search appearances. And here, if I click on my post impressions, I can see my number of impressions for the last 7 days, 14 days, 28 days, and 90 days. The impressions here means how many times has your post appeared on someone's screen, even if they don't click on it. If you want to increase the number of impressions you're getting, you need to work on a strong hook or a headline and making your post more eye-catching, maybe adding a visual. The second parameter that you should be paying attention to is the engagement. In this case, I can also see my engagement for the last 7 days, 14 days, 28 days. And for example, if I wanted to increase the number of engagements that I am getting, I should be working on creating posts with a more call to action, opening conversation, asking my readers to leave a comment, a feedback. What I would advise here is to really check from now and then your impression and the engagement that you're getting, just to see if your LinkedIn content strategy is getting positive results. My bonus tip for the LinkedIn metrics would be to check them from now and then, but to not obsess over them. You can still get new opportunities and clients through LinkedIn without having high impressions. I hope this content was helpful, and if you have any questions about LinkedIn content strategy or even the metrics, please leave us a comment below.